Got the whole world in your hand. Hello again, this is Bharat from Palmistry Unplugged, and today on this clip we're going to talk about the balance hand or the practical hand. Now there comes a situation when I see a hand that doesn't fit into the fire, doesn't fit into the air, doesn't fit into the earth, doesn't fit into the water, and then we come to what I call the balance hand, and it's kind of like a square hand, and it could be the width of the palm could be a little bit greater than 75%, but so it would be technically a fire hand. But then you see it does have a longitudinal shape, so it kind of fits into the air hand, and so this we come to the balance hand, or what I like to call the practical. Excuse me. What I like to call the balance hand, but actually in classical palmistry they call it the practical hand. And people that have it are usually practical. On a foundation basis, they're usually a little bit more conservative, want to make balanced decisions, and they're able to do things. What advantage that they have is that they have all the four elements. Like they have the creativity of the fire, they have the doing action of the air, they have the groundedness of the earth, and they have the what's left? They have the depth of feeling of the water. So they have these four elements in equal portion, but they're not ruled by them. Like I have my fire hand, I'm ruled by passion. But a person with a practical is not. Now the downside of having a practical hand, and I don't think I've ever had a case where this is not the case, is they all think a lot. Their minds are going constantly. So, but besides that, I do see it a lot between the three hands that I do see: the air, the fire, and the practical hand. That's what I do see. Okay, so and the practical hand, again, there's not much else more to say about it other than what's very important is that they do think a lot. So this is, again, Bharat. This is a short clip, and that is the end of my series on hand shapes. And I hope you join me for the next series of talks where we start to talk about the lines on the hands, the primary lines, and then the secondary lines. Okay, so I'll see you. Take care, and if you like, subscribe to my channel, download my book, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.